Prepare yourself for a day that will be forever etched in your heart. The message your angel conveys today is unparalleled in grandeur, announcing the beginning of an exciting and extraordinary journey. You are about to reach levels of love and emotion previously unimaginable. It is as if the entire universe is aligning to make your dreams come true, illuminating your path with stellar brilliance and reaffirming that yes, you are deeply loved and deserving of all cosmic attention. Type yes, I accept ear and open your heart to receive your angel sublime message, as splendid as the vastness of the night sky, where each star shines with singular intensity under the gaze of the moon that witnesses this spectacle of emotions. Prepare to discover a surprising revelation that will change the course of your love life in an unforgettable way. This message brings the news that someone, a true rare gem of destiny, someone you always think about, harbors a deep and genuine interest in you. He is willing to share the rest of his life with you, not just as a companion, but as a true partner in all of life's journeys. More than that, he wishes to be by your side every step of the way, ready to offer you all the love you have always dreamed of receiving. This love is not superficial or fleeting. On the contrary, it is a love that promises an eternal and unbreakable commitment. A promise that survives challenges, strengthening with each obstacle overcome, an alliance sealed by sincerity and the depth of mutual feelings. This person has been captivated by you in a way that transcends mere physical attraction or casual interest. It is a deep passion that ignites hearts and lights the path to a love that aspires to eternity. Today, you face a monumental decision: whether or not to embark on this promising relationship and experience a love story that promises to be nothing less than transformative. This is not a trivial choice. It is the missing piece in the puzzle of your life, the key to a new beginning alongside the person who seems destined to be your companion. This decision may very well define the course of your future, intertwining your destinies in a way you have always dreamed of, but perhaps never thought possible. This choice is undoubtedly one of the most significant you will face in your entire existence. It demands more than a simple superficial consideration. It requires deep reflection and meticulous introspection. It is as if you are faced with a complex riddle, the solution to which reveals the deepest secrets of the universe. Secrets about love, compatibility, and shared destiny. The person who has entered your life has made a deliberate choice to walk by your side, assuming the role of a guiding star that promises to illuminate your path through the highs and lows of life's journey. He is ready to join you at every turn and every crossroads, offering light in times of darkness and celebration in moments of joy. You stand at a crossroads of inestimable importance, confronted with the duality of choosing between two distinct paths. Each path offers deeply significant situations that have the potential to transform your life in extraordinary ways. The choice is complex and laden with meaning, as it involves a reciprocal exchange of destinies, where both parties aspire to share a lifetime side by side. This decision may seem like a challenge of cosmic proportions, a gigantic choice that weighs on your shoulders like the night sky filled with stars. The anxiety and anguish that this choice can provoke are comparable to turbulent waves that submerge your heart in a sea of uncertainties. The magnitude of this decision can make you feel overwhelmed, as if each option were an immense wave threatening to drown the tranquility of your mind. However, it is crucial during these moments of indecision to remember a fundamental truth. You are not responsible for the feelings of the other person. It is essential to understand that true love should not be forced. You should not feel obligated to love someone simply because that person harbors strong feelings for you. Love, to be genuine and enduring, must be a two-way street, flowing freely between two souls who genuinely wish to be together, not out of obligation, but as a choice made with the heart. You stand before a decision that carries immense weight, a choice that not only defines your future, but also has the power to shape the trajectory of other lives. At this crucial moment, the most important thing is to allow yourself to delve deeply into your own feelings. Approach this introspection without fear or apprehension, sincerely exploring what resonates with your inner truth. This is the time to reflect on what you truly feel and desire for your life. The decision you are about to make is significant and should be chosen with a sense of complete freedom. You have the inalienable right to decide your path, guided by your most sincere feelings and the vision you have for your future. It is a moment to be authentic with your emotions and aspirations. Remember, love is much more than a mere passive emotion. It is an active choice, a conscious decision you make every day. Love is a commitment that influences not only your life, but also the lives of everyone involved. Therefore, the choice to love must be made with great care and consideration, recognizing the profound responsibility that accompanies this decision. As you ponder this significant choice, it is essential to approach it with a clear mind and an open heart. Ask yourself, is this what I truly want? Am I prepared for the implications of this choice? Your answer should come from a place of deep reflection and self-awareness, ensuring that your actions are aligned with your truest values and long-term desires. Making decisions with awareness and responsibility is essential, as each choice you make has the potential to impact your life in monumental ways. You are facing a vital decision, a moment of choice that could define the course of your love life and personal life. The challenge before you is of extraordinary significance. Selecting the person with whom you wish to share not only the present moments, but also a future filled with dreams, desires, and mutual achievements. When making this choice, it is crucial to consider more than the initial physical attraction, although it is undoubtedly an important component of the relationship. What should weigh even more in your decision is the emotional compatibility and the shared values between you and the person in question. Ask yourself, do our hearts beat in the same rhythm? Do our dreams and aspirations align in a way that we can both grow and prosper together? It is fundamental that there is a deep harmony between you, a connection that goes beyond the surface and penetrates the deepest layers of your personalities and beliefs. A true partnership is built on mutual understanding and a shared respect for each other's values. Without this solid foundation, it is hard to imagine a future where both of you feel fully realized and happy. You are facing a crucial issue, a decision that demands discernment and care, choosing a life partner. Trust is the foundation upon which all solid relationships are built. Therefore, it is essential to select someone you can trust completely, both with your heart and the most intimate aspects of your life. This choice should be made with the certainty that the person by your side will be a reliable and constant support, so you don't face painful disappointments in the future. Understand that while the deep love someone can feel for you is valuable, it is not, by itself, sufficient guarantee that this person is the ideal choice to walk beside you into the future. Loving deeply is fundamental, but it is not the only criterion for a lasting union. You must be careful not to accept someone as a partner solely based on the intensity of their feelings, without considering other vital aspects of compatibility. Long-lasting relationships go beyond initial passion. They are sustained by a harmony of goals, visions for the future, and shared life values. A decision of immense significance in the trajectory of your personal and emotional life stands before you at this moment. The issue at hand is profound. Identifying and choosing your soulmate, this singular person who does much more than simply complete your being. This person understands your deepest aspirations, hopes, and dreams, and plays a vital role in encouraging you to transcend your current limitations and evolve into the best version of yourself. The search for this connection can often feel like a true emotional storm, a labyrinth of feelings and expectations. However, it is crucial at this turning point to open your heart to honest and unimpeded communication with this person. The importance of a frank and sincere conversation cannot be overstated, as it is through true dialogue that you can test and understand the depth and reality of the connection you share with the other. Being direct and honest in your communications can be challenging, especially when there is the risk that the answers obtained do not perfectly align with your expectations or desires. When it comes time to make one of the most significant decisions of your life, choosing a partner to share your path, it is crucial that this choice is guided by something deeper than simple reason. In situations like this, your intuition and most fundamental instincts should guide you. This choice often transcends pure logic. It is about connecting on a level that goes beyond conventional understanding, where deep emotions and feelings play key roles. Listening to the call of the heart is not merely a romantic cliché, but an essential component in making effective decisions. Choosing the person with whom you feel a special connection, a harmony that seems to defy rational explanation, is fundamental. This connection may not be fully explainable in logical terms, but it is often perceived as a powerful and irresistible force that guides two people to unite. It is important to remember that the decision to choose a life partner is one that will accompany you throughout your journey. Therefore, the choice must be made with a combination of wisdom and feeling. Allow yourself to feel fully, explore your emotions, and listen to the whispers of your heart, for these elements are as vital as rational thought when it comes to long-term choices. Making the right choice regarding a life partner is a decision that has a profound and lasting impact on your personal journey. When you choose someone who not only loves you but also cares for you with devotion and commitment, you are establishing the foundation for a relationship that transcends the ordinary circumstances of life. This partner will be by your side during the most challenging moments, offering support when you need it most. Similarly, he will celebrate your achievements and moments of joy, sincerely sharing in the pleasure of each success and happiness. The true value of this ideal partner is revealed in the way he makes you feel valued and loved daily. His support is not only emotional, but also practical, actively helping you realize your dreams and achieve your goals. This synergy not only propels your personal growth, but also strengthens the bond between you, creating a robust connection that deepens over time. Moreover, the ideal relationship is one where you can be completely authentic. There is no need to hide your true essence or soften aspects of your personality. On the contrary, it is an environment where your authenticity is not only accepted but celebrated. You will have the freedom to share your most intimate dreams, hopes, and even your fears without the fear of being judged. This openness creates a space of mutual trust and deep understanding, essential elements for a healthy and lasting relationship. Authenticity between you significantly reinforces the foundations of your relationship. When both can be true to each other, the relationship becomes unshakable in the face of life's challenges. This level of honesty and openness promotes clear and effective communication, which is vital for navigating the complexities of life as a couple. In a world where many relationships break down under external and internal pressures, a bond built on true understanding and mutual acceptance stands out as a safe haven and a source of strength for both. Therefore, when making your choice, remember that the ideal partner is the one who allows you to be who you really are, and who supports not only your aspirations, but also shares them with you. This choice is not just about finding love, but finding a life companion who contributes to your happiness and well-being in tangible and intangible ways, making life together a rich and rewarding journey. At this transcendental moment in your life, claim this choice with all your conviction. Let your mind absorb these words and feel them deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type I accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me to claim this message and the blessings it contains for you. Let us elevate each other and create waves of good energy together. Did you know there is a possible image of your soulmate that you can see now? It might be someone you already know or someone you have yet to meet. Click the link in the description to get the portrait of your soulmate, and let us elevate each other and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.